The air quality here is absolutely abysmal as the fire does continue to burn. Containment numbers go up every single day, but still the fire is raging not far from Paradise, California, and going into national forest land not far from here. This is going to be a very long process. Firefighters are working day and night to put the fire out. Utilities are slowly but surely coming back, which will make the recovery effort easier, but still, can you even imagine what it's like to have to come home and find nothing left, not just of your home, not just of your place of work, but of your entire town? That's the reality for people in Paradise, California. In Paradise, Justin Michaels, the Weather Channel.